Veda.
Well guys, let us see what is the next thing that Blender has to offer us. So before we can see what Blender has to offer, let us rest in peace this cube, select it and hit delete on the keyboard. Go to add, go to mesh, and in the extras object you get a next object called simple star. For those who don't know how to get this, go to edit, go to preference. In the preferences window you will see an add-ons tab, and in that add-ons tab you got to type extra objects. I have made a video about that. If you want, you can refer to that. So with that being said and done, go to add, go to mesh and go to extra, and the next object is simple star. It's nothing but it's a simple star. And if you come here, you can change your presets. If you want, you can save your own presets by clicking this plus icon. Then you can change these points, how many points you want, what would be the outer radius of these points, what would be the inner radius of these points, how much the height of this point should be, and where in the world view or cursor, according to the world or the view or the cursor. If we click on the view, it is going to align it according to the view from where we are seeing the object. And according to 3D cursor, this red and white dotted circle is called 3D cursor, and according to that orientation our object is being set. You can change the location from here in the x-axis, y-axis and in the z-axis. And the next object is going to be, go to add, mesh and extra objects, and the next object is going to be step pyramid. Nothing but a pyramid in the shape of a step. So we have got some sides. How many sides you want the pyramid to have? 3 sides or more than 3 sides. How many steps do you want the pyramid to have? If you increase after a certain number, it's going to be in the reverse order. Initial width, how wide you want the pyramid to be, how much the height of the pyramid should be, reduce the steps by. So how you want to reduce the steps, so that's for the next option. And what this operator preset is, if I set this preset, this is what I have set, and if I click on this plus icon and I type 1 here, okay, then what will happen if I reset all of these things? If I reset these things and if I go here, I get this one which I have created, and if I click on this, it is going to bring all the parameters that I have set it. So this is what you can do with the presets, and you can change the location in x-axis, y-axis, z-axis. So with that being said and done, you can you try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video. And if you want to support me wholeheartedly, Patreon page link will be given in the description, from where you can support me. And if you want to learn something extra and have a comprehensive knowledge about Blender, you can contact me through my phone number will be given in the description as well, or you can help me by supporting my channel or supporting me by Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. Phone number will be given in the description as well. So with that being said and done, try to see it, learn it, understand it. I will see you in the next video.